Welcome to the K-Start channel. The harmonious interaction between the two actors Chae Soo and Yoo Yeon Seok has raised fans' expectations for the drama When the Phone Rings. Chae Soo, a talented actress known for her recent roles, gave sincere praise to her co-star, Yoo Yeon Seok. In a recent interview, Chae Soo shared her experience working with Yoo Yeon Seok. The actress did not hesitate to praise the professionalism and friendliness of the actor, who once starred in Hospital Playlist. Since the first time we met at the script reading session, I immediately felt that he was a very professional actor. He understands his character very well and is able to create a comfortable working atmosphere, said Chae Soo. She also added that Yoo Yeon Seok is not only a great coworker, but also someone who always gives positive energy on set. He is very friendly and caring, so I found it easier to build chemistry with him, both on and off screen, said Chae Soo. According to Chae Soo, one of the things she admires most about Yoo Yeon Seok is his dedication to his work. He always comes prepared and is open to discussions. We often share ideas on how to convey certain emotions in important scenes, and that really helps me understand my own character better. The two play challenging roles in When the Phone Rings, where their relationship is tested by an unexpected situation caused by a mysterious phone call from the future. Chae Soo admitted that Yoo Yeon Seok's support made her feel more confident in expressing a variety of complex emotions. Chae Soo hopes that her chemistry with Yoo Yeon Seok will touch the hearts of viewers. He's a great partner, and I'm so lucky to be able to work with him. I'm sure viewers will see how great he is at portraying this character, she said. Chae Soo's praise for Yoo Yeon Seok shows how strong their working relationship is, which is expected to bring great success to When the Phone Rings. Especially thanks to the two main actors who are already known for their amazing acting skills. Another member of the production team said, "They support each other in every scene, whether it's light or emotional. It makes our job as a team much easier because they take the script to the next level." Closing the interview, Chae Soo expressed her high hopes for When the Phone Rings. "I really hope this drama can leave a deep impression on the viewers. There are many important messages about relationships, decisions, and time that we try to convey through the story. And of course, my chemistry with Yoo Yeon Seok is one of the elements that I hope will be well received by the viewers," she said. Although their working relationship seems smooth, Chae Soo revealed that there were some scenes that were quite challenging, especially those that involved intense emotions. "There were some scenes that were really emotionally draining, but working with Yoo Yeon Seok made everything feel easier. He knows how to create a comfortable atmosphere, even in difficult situations," Chae Soo said. Many believe that the combination of Chae Soo and Yoo Yeon Seok's strong acting will create a realistic and touching character relationship. Come on, write your responses in the comments column below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss other interesting content from this channel. See you in the next video.